Hello everyone, welcome to CyberWise Tech. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of operational technology. We will explore how hackers target these environments using real-world examples, and most importantly, how you can protect your critical infrastructure. Whether you are in manufacturing, energy, or any OT-heavy industry, this video is for you. Let me start with a chilling fact. One simple USB drop nearly shut down an entire power plant. Sounds unbelievable, right? But this kind of social engineering is more common than you think. Attackers know that human curiosity is a vulnerability. All it takes is one careless plugin. So let's break down how such attacks unfold and how you can build strong defenses. Let's talk about Stuxnet worm, probably the most famous OT cyber attack ever. It began with an infected USB drive and exploited multiple zero-day vulnerabilities in Windows system. From there, it moved laterally across the network until it reached its target. Centrifuges used in Iran's nuclear program. The malware caused the machine to spin out of control, damaging critical infrastructure without the operators even noticing immediately. This case is a textbook example of how cyber warfare can directly impact physical systems, and if it happened there, it can happen anywhere. So, where do companies usually go wrong? First, mixing IT and OT network without proper segmentation. If your office laptop can ping your PLC, you have already lost it. Second, no monitoring. Many OT systems run set and forget, making them blind to intrusions. Third, no asset inventory. You can't protect what you don't even know exists. Over reliance on perimeter defenses by assuming firewalls are enough while neglecting internal security controls and least privilege access. And finally, minimal incident response planning, because most people think it will never happen to them, but it does. People often think we already have IT security, we must be fine. But IT is not equal to OT. OT systems value availability and confidentiality. That means even one false positive causing downtime could cost billions in lost productions. Many OT systems are outdated or proprietary. They weren't built with cybersecurity in mind. Also, patching is often delayed due to 24 by 7 operations, and many security teams simply don't monitor OT specific controls. So, your firewall might be working fine, but your PLCs might be wide open. Now, how do we fix this? Here are some proven strategies. Start with network segmentation. Separate your IT and OT networks. Use whitelisting and control device accesses, especially USB ports. Keeping a full inventory of all assets and update whatever can be patched, and add anomaly based threat detections. It can catch unusual behavior before damage is done. Train your employees to recognize phishing and social engineering, and above all, create an OT specific incident response plan. These steps are affordable, practical, and they drastically reduces risk. Now let's see a OT security incident in Indian context. So India's rapid digitalization of power grid, water systems and manufacturing creates an expanding attack surface for threat across targeting national infrastructure. Indian critical infrastructure must comply with Information Technology Act 2000 and National Critical Information Infrastructure Protection Center guidelines. And still there is a very significant shortage of professionals with both OT knowledge and cybersecurity expertise, and this is one of the most vulnerable situations in implementation and monitoring. Basically, to overcome this, you always don't need to hire a full-time CISO to implement these. That's where a virtual CISO or vCISO comes in. As a virtual CISO, I help organizations like yours assess risks, define strategy, and implement defenses without heavy costs. I ensure your compliance with standards like IEC 62443, NIST, and Help Align. So here are some examples of the rare OT security incidents which has happened in India. Like there was a power outage in Maharashtra in 2020, which was the result of the state-sponsored cyber attacks which targeted Mumbai's power grid and caused a very massive outage affecting millions of people. And other one is the malware which is identified as D-Track infiltrated the administrative network of India's largest nuclear power facility. If this video was helpful, I will suggest that you can go through other contents on the same channel, and shortly I am planning to even provide a free OT cybersecurity checklist. Please keep a watch on the channel to download it soon.